Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today I'm going to start setting up the art of planning and journaling in my October kit. Hey everybody, I can't believe it's almost October. We only have a few more days until October 1st, so I thought this weekend would be the perfect time to start to set up my insert for the art of planning and journaling. Now this is a kit from Tula XII. Don't mind the crinkle. I'm going to go ahead and just take this all out really quickly. And it comes with an insert of your choice. You can either get medium, large, or extra large. I have chosen the large size. It also comes with this adorable stencil. Now the blue one here is not the color of the stencil. It is a plastic wrap, but I might just leave it on there because it makes it easier to share with you guys. But look at this sweater and the little pumpkin. This is an adorable, adorable stencil. It also comes with our very astute little fox die cut. That's my pup, sorry about that. It also comes with a journal card with the month on it. Of course, the info card. Who can resist this moose coaster? Oh my goodness, because you have to have a clean workspace when you are planning or journaling. And then it also comes with these 2 sticker sheets. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm probably not going to get the whole thing set up today, but I will get a few pages started. Now, if you're new to this and you have never seen one of our inserts before for the art of planning and journaling, they have beautiful coloring pages in them. And then I'm just going to stop right here and set up my calendar. Now, it is dated for October, but there are only 2 things that are dated with this journal card and the 1 large sticker over here that says October. Other than that, if you love this kit and you are seeing this before October 1st, you can still order this. It will still be available and you can use it anytime you want to. I usually don't use my days of the week stickers that come on this across the top because I don't mind that that is in black. I kind of like that font actually, so I'm just going to leave it exactly like it is, and I'll use these somewhere else, either in here or in my journal later. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and put my October sticker right here. I eyeball most things, so I can pretty much guarantee that this will not look perfect. That's just how I roll. And I am going to just put a few of these little fall leaves right on either side, or maybe just one there. Yep, actually I think I'm just gonna leave one there. All right, and then I am gonna go ahead and put all of our stickers on. So October 1st happens to be a Tuesday this year. So I am going to start right there with that. And I will put you on fast forward while I get these stickers down because it does take a minute to get them all in place. Okay, so we got all the dates on there, which it's a little bit of a process to make sure that I line them up, but that's just me. I like to use tweezers for those just because it helps me make sure that they are in the space that I want them in. So with that done, excuse me, I am going to go ahead and just put a few little stickers on here to decorate it just a little bit. I think that I want to use these tiny little guys here. So they are the cutest little fall animals. Get that to, there we go. They're just adorable. So I'm just going to put a few of them right on the pages here, and then we will use the rest of them somewhere else, but they're just so cute. All right, so I'm keeping my calendar pretty basic this month because I want to leave more room for writing. I've decided this month that I am going to use this as more of a planner than a journal. Last month I used it mostly as a journal and like habit tracking and fun things to keep track of. But this month I'm definitely going to use it more as a planner, just to kind of switch it up a little bit. So the next section is this month where you can write in your events, goals, highlights, anything you want to do here. I'll come back to that. Routine, I'm going to come back to that as well. But then we have our tracker, which is our leaves. And I think I'm going to continue to track water on this one because that just works really well for me. So I just need to find the colors that I want to use for that. And then the to-do list will be lists that are sitting on my desk open for specific days where I have a lot going on and a lot of things to get done. Obviously, there's not a whole lot to do the entire month here, but there is enough to make a dent in your to-do list on specific days for sure. Then we've got some other boxes over here, and we've got this adorable little mouse. We've got some notes over here to keep track of, anything that I'm currently doing. And then we have our little Polaroid pictures, which I love this. I've been using this one for affirmations. I might continue to do that. Little mouse coloring page, do more of, do less, and then of course we have our month wrap up and a pen test. So I will come back as I start to complete this and get this all filled in for you guys. But thank you guys so much for joining me for this first part of getting this all set up. If you would like to order this, as long as it's before October 1st, the link will be below. And if you have any questions at all, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you have not already liked and subscribed, please do so. And if you know somebody that would enjoy this video, please feel free to share it out. Have a great day, everyone.